Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are staying safe at home. Today, we are going to start our next chapter, that is Bhalu the Bear Part 1 from your English literature book, that is New Radiant Readers. Now, open the book to page number 65, chapter 13, Bhalu the Bear Part 1. Children, I'll read out the entire chapter in front of you all. Then I'll give you a short summary about this chapter. So let's start with reading. Listen carefully to improve your pronunciation, especially of the new words. Chapter 13, Bhalu the Bear Part 1. Bhalu was a bear cub. He lived with his mother and his short sister in a cave in the Himalayas. Children, meaning of cub is the young ones of bear or lion, etc. Even when he was quite tiny, Bhalu was always up to some mischief. His mother had to cuff him far more often than she did Chota, his sister. Bhalu's small black nose was always sniffing about in search of food, and his black eyes shone merrily even when he was being smacked. Children, meaning of mischief is playful misbehavior, and meaning of cuff is strike with an open hand. Meaning of sniffing is draw up air audibly through the nose to detect a smell. And meaning of smacked is a sharp slap. When Bhalu and Chota were very small, their mother used to leave them alone in the big dark cave at night while she went hunting. But when they grew bigger, they used to follow her to the mouth of the cave and whimper and squeal when she told them to go inside. Children, meaning of whimper is make a low, feeble sounds expressing unhappiness. And meaning of squeal is a long, high-pitched cry. We want to come hunting too, squealed little Bhalu. But Mother Bear used to push him back into the safe darkness of the cave, and then set out on her search for food. In the daytime, she would often sleep because she was tired after being out all night. But sometimes she would stay awake and tell them stories about the forest and the great world outside. She knew many tales, but Bhalu liked best to hear the one about Sher, the tiger who was their greatest enemy. Mother Bear warned the cubs against Sher. She told them that he was not to be trusted and that they must never go near him or speak to him. One night, when the cubs were about 3 months old, Mother Bear stretched herself and said, "The apples in the orchard on the hill are ripe. I am going to have a good feed, and perhaps I will bring some fruits home for you children to eat." Chota and Bhalu squealed with delight, for they loved the rosy red apples which their mother sometimes brought home to them. Children, meaning of orchard is a piece of enclosed land planted with fruit trees. Mother Bear set off, telling them to be very quiet and good and not to show their noses till she came back. "Be very careful tonight, children, for I heard Sher prowling about this afternoon, and he sounded angry," she said. Meaning of prowling is move about quietly, trying not to be seen or heard in search of a prey. Now children, come to the explanation of this chapter. So children, this chapter is based on a little cub Bhalu and his mother. So children, Bhalu was a bear cub. Children, I already told you what is the meaning of cub. Cub is the young ones of the bear, or you can say babies of bear is called cub. So children, who was Bhalu? Bhalu was a bear cub. Okay. Children, where he was living? He was living in the cave in the Himalayas. Okay children, now children, what is the meaning of cave? Cave is a large hole in the side of a hill or under the ground. Children, caves are very dark and cold. So, when he was very small, he was always doing some bad behavior. Okay children, here I already told you the meaning of mischief is bad behavior, usually of children that is not very serious or playful manner. So his mother had to beat him more than his sister, only because of his behavior. Children, meaning of cuff is to hit someone with your open hand. So his nose was always sniffing. And meaning of sniffing is inhaling through the nose or to smell something by taking air in through your nose. He always sniffing about in search of food. So his black eyes was always shining in a happy way, even when he was smacked, when he was beaten hardly. Okay children, smacked means to hit somebody with the inside of your hand when it is flat, especially as a punishment or even a tight slap he got. He was shining eyes were in a happy mood. Now come to this paragraph. In this paragraph, when the Bhalu and Chota, children, who is Chota? Chota is a Bhalu's sister. Bhalu and his sister were small. His mother used to leave them alone and went out in search of food, and he would leave in the cave at night, so as they were growing, both of them. So they were following to the mouth of the cave. So they were whimper and squeal when they asked to go inside. Children, whimper means crying softly, okay, and squeal means a loud high noise because of pain. So Bhalu said, we also want to go for hunting, okay, with you. You here means mother. He asked his mother that we also want to join for hunting, but his mother pushed him back in the safe corner of the cave, and she set out in search for food. She go out for food, okay. In the daytime, his mother was sleeping in the cave as she used to go for hunt at night. That's why she sleep in daytime, as she was tired also because she used to hunt at night. But sometimes she was remaining awake, okay, and she used to tell story to Bhalu and his sister Chota about the forest and the world and the greatest enemy. So children, come to this paragraph, okay. So Bhalu's mother know many stories. Tales means stories. Now, but Bhalu liked the most, or Bhalu loved to hear the stories which was about Sher Khan, okay, which is about Sher. Sher is the name of a tiger who was their greatest enemy. So mother told them or warned against Sher. She told them that Sher, you cannot trust this tiger. Okay children, mother said that you never trust on tiger or Sher. Okay, you should not go near him or you should not speak to him. Now in this paragraph, one night when the cubs were about 3 months old, so age of the cub is near about 3 months, okay. The mother bear By stretching herself, she told to dear children that the apples which was in the orchard are ripe. Children, meaning of orchard is a piece of closed land is planted with fruit trees. Okay, you can eat this fruit. Okay, I'm going to have a good feed or good food. She said that she will bring some fruits so that you can have good food. So Chota and Bhalu, they both were very much excited or to eat to love the rosy red apples which the mother sometimes bring to both of them. So Mother Bear told both of them be quiet. Okay, now to show their not to show their nose till she came back. She told the children that to be very careful. Tonight, she said, be careful. I heard the share is prowling. Now, children, prowling means it's moving quietly. Okay, which is not trying to not to be seen. He is moving quietly in search of prey. And she said he was very angry. So that's all, children. There is an end of this chapter. That is Bhalu the Bear part 1. Children, second part of this chapter I'll explain you in my next video. Okay. So children, I hope you all have understood the chapter very nicely. Thank you.